So now we continue with high level languages in this video also. Children, you can see here a collage of number of computer languages. You can find different languages names written here. Try to find out some. Can you find out Python, C++, PHP, Java, JavaScript? Try to find out these what I am saying. So all these are known as high level languages. You will learn about few more languages in detail. So let's begin with, see, some clear icons have been given here. Ruby. Ruby is a programming language that is high level. JS stand for JavaScript. Perl. You can identify the picture there, logo, so that you can easily identify the language when you read about them somewhere. So you'll come to know Java is there, Visual Basic is there, JavaScript is there, Python is there, PHP is there. So these are the some of the high level languages. So learn about them. The first language we are going to learn about is Basic. Basic stands for Beginners All Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code, and this was a language first made for the freshers. Those who are starting learning the languages of computer, they start with Basic generally. Then logo you have already done. It stands for language of graphic oriented, and it was used to make different kind of shapes and figures. Then came COBOL. COBOL stands for Common Business Oriented Language, and this language was specially designed for business applications. Then Fortran stands for Formula Translation, and this is one of the oldest high level language, very old. I showed you in the third generation language, you must be remembering. And this language was designed to solve scientific problems. Then Java is an OOP, यानी कि object oriented programming language is developed by Sun Microsystem. Java itself is a language, and the style of working this language is object oriented. Then C and C++. First C was made, then C++ was upgraded. So this is a very common these days. Visual Basic is a programming language that is based on basic programming language, but it is the advanced version of Basic. Visual C++, it is again based on C++, now it is advanced. Delphi is a language which is ideal for building large scale enterprise and web applications. It is very powerful programming development, and it was developed by Borland. Prolog full form is programming logic, and it is used for development of artificial intelligence applications. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and this is a special language used for format document for display on the web, means to design the web pages. JavaScript is an interpreted language that allows a programmer to add dynamic content to a web page. You know what is dynamic? Which keep on changing. If on your web page you want to keep on changing some information day wise or week wise, you are supposed to use some of the dynamic language, and JavaScript is one of them. Now quick recap. Here we will have a small quiz. So have you all understood what we have learned in this chapter? Because this quiz is based on everything. All the languages we have learned now: Basic, Logo, COBOL, Fortran, Java, C, C++, Visual Basic, Visual C++, Delphi, Prolog, HTML, JavaScript, and you must be knowing the full forms like HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, Prolog, Programming Logic, VB, Visual Basic, Basic, Beginners All Purpose Symbolic Instructions Code, Logo, Language of Graphic Oriented, COBOL, Common Business Oriented Language, Fortran, Formula Translation. So let's move forward with the quiz. What does logo stands for? Have you recalled? Language of graphic oriented. Next, what does basic stand for? Beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. What does prologue stand for? Some of you must have guessed programming logic. Then full form of HTML. At least few of you must be remembering. We have done it in the 4th standard also somewhere. Hypertext markup language. Full form of COBOL. This language was meant for business enterprises, business application, and it is common business oriented language. Now children, see this figure given here carefully. You will get to know the base of the doing any task computerized is the hardware. See, the bottommost block is saying hardware. First of all, you are supposed to have an hardware. Then how it developed? First, machine language was introduced, and that is quite near to hardware. Means the most nearmost language of hardware is machine language. Then there is a middle one, that is assembly language, and after that all the above blocks are near to human being. So these all are the high level languages. So read your home assignment carefully. Read the chapter including update your knowledge portion. You all know there are some shaded blocks are given separately in your chapter. These are update your knowledge. There are some facts and you have to go through that also. Okay children.